A common misconception that I see a lot is that you need to launch your first collection with a lot of styles, 15, 20 styles, maybe more. The thinking sounds logical. The more products you have, the better chance you have of selling. But in reality, what actually happens is that every additional style means more development, more samples, more sourcing, more inventory, and more risk. Your first collection isn't there to prove what your brand can become. It's there to prove that customers actually going to buy the product that you're selling. So here's my advice. Start with enough product that can tell your brand story and learn from the market.